Zay and I actually cook all the time together. I always said that if I sent her out into the world and she didn't know how to cook, what kind of mother am I? So we're gonna make a bourbon peppercorn steak that's seared, okay? In a niçoise style salad. But it's basically all of these different beautiful vegetables cooked in a different way.
So it's like a fancy, warm veggie salad.
It's right. So I went through all of that. And yes, it's
fancy, warm veggie salad.
But there's a lot of intricacy and there's a lot of thoughtfulness.
Yeah, I love it.
These baby zucchinis are beautiful when they're raw. Using the mandolin and having them sliced very, very, very thin. Now the steak has been marinated. The bourbon marinade actually has some sugar in it.
Oh, so it's gonna be a little sweet.
What we want to have happen is caramelization on the bottom, a Maillard effect, okay?
Oh,
so
look at these
the
words.
nice, the nice browning on the outside.
Okay.
We want that browning on the outside because that's gonna hold in all the juice, okay? You're in charge of the steak's not in charge of you.
The steak is definitely in charge of me.
No.
Yes.
This is, for me, like a beautiful salad, and it looks like this gorgeous platter.
I could totally like imagine us taking this on like a little picnic.
Nice, eh?
I saved this piece for me. We should make this more often.
Yeah.